We would like you to transfer to another prison and befriend someone to elicit a confession.
We need the precise location of the dead body.
In this prison? Where the guy is?
It's in Springfield, Missouri. Maximum security specializing in the criminally insane.
So, you want me to check into hell, cozy up to a fucking demon, and ask him all casual, hey, so where'd you bury 13 bodies? Is that right?